So if you've been watching my videos lately on the Roadhouse, you realize that I blew a brake line in my F350 crew cab long bed, 4x4 and all that type of stuff. I'm probably missing 5 things. And it was a mess. I was able to get home by clamping it down with a pair of vice grips, as I showed you in another video. But today, I'm installing the Skyjacker FBL92 extended stainless steel brake lines with a polyurethane type outer cover so it doesn't mess up the stainless steel weaving and all that type of stuff. Let's get this thing started. Roadhouse is sponsored by Finley River Towing and Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. Speedy's does all your media blasting and powder coating. Big or small, they do it all. Finley River Towing takes care of all your high-end to low-end towing needs. Call Finley River Towing if you're in the Ozark or Branson area. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. All right, the part number for this is FBL92. 26-inch long brake lines for your big Ford F350, F250. Take a look at my last video. It shows where I clamped this thing off and I was able to drive it home and around town a little bit. You just didn't have brakes in this wheel whatsoever at all. So if you slammed on the brakes, I was taking off to the left. So what I did here is I put this 11/16 wrench up here, and then I went and bought a line wrench for 7/16. And I would really recommend using line wrench on anything. 9/16 down here on the caliper itself, and I am going to replace this line right now. It comes with 2 brass fittings, so use them. I'd keep the old ones if I were you, just in case you need them down the line. The reason why I'm replacing the bottom side first is because when I take this off up here, it's going to start relieving all that brake fluid. It's going to start coming down the lines from the reservoir. So I don't want to waste anything. This is right here is on your caliper, and you take a 1/2 to it to tighten it up. 16th line wrench. Take that off. Now it's going to start leaking. So try and hurry and get that line back on so it doesn't leak out any more brake fluid than necessary. Put all clips back on. You're going to need to zip tie this up out of the way so all the movement of your suspension doesn't wear the plastic outer layer of this brake line. It's steel, it's stainless steel on the inside, but it's got a plastic liner on the outside to help protect it. So you're going to need to make sure that that thing doesn't wear up against the shocks and everything and start wearing it out. Next, you want to make sure that you top off your brake fluid yet again. Now we're going to bleed the brake lines. And if you watch the video that I've show you how to do it without anybody helping you out. So let's do that. Make sure you put your cap back on. .10mm, break loose the brake line. start to see the fluid raise in there. I'm going to go press on the brake pedal. No bubbles, no air. It's good to go. Tighten it back up, you're done. Watch my other videos according to how to do this. Once again, top off your brake fluid. Wipe off any extra residue here as far as brake fluid goes, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing. Tell me what you think. Have you used better brake lines than these Skyjackers? These Skyjackers lasted a very long time on my rig before I got it. So how long did they last on yours? Do you like something better? Because I'm always looking for something better that I don't have to replace anytime soon. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. This truck, it was put away wet. Now I'm replacing a lot of stuff. Thank you.